Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a smoking fire bird sandwich. It's real easy to do. First thing we have to do is make our smoked peppercorn sauce. So the first thing we want to do is add 2 teaspoons or thereabouts of white vinegar. Next thing you want to add is a little bit over a cup of mayo. You know, somewhere between a cup and a quarter, somewhere like that. And then, of course, you want to give some ground pepper to it, freshly ground pepper. And, of course, some salt. And then you want to add a quarter cup of sour cream. Get yourself a spoon and dig that shit out. And now you want to put in about a teaspoon of lemon juice. And then you want to add about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. One of these days, I swear to God, I will find out how to pronounce that shit. And a little bit more pepper. And then you want to add in about a quarter cup of half and half. Also, I might have missed it, but add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder in this mix as well. And then you want to grate about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And now just give it a stir in a bowl. And once it's all well incorporated, I basically just put this in a little, one of those disposable aluminum trays, and threw it in the smoker for about 20 minutes on a real low smoke, like 90 degrees. For, 10, 20 minutes. You just want to smoke kiss it. And then put it in those the squeeze bottles you can pick up at pretty much any store, and left it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Okay, so as you can see, I got these hoagie rolls lightly toasted in a 400 degree oven. Keep the oven at 400 degrees, but again, just lightly toast them. Just a couple of minutes, because remember, these things have to go back into the oven, and you don't want them to burn, obviously. So this is basically just some roasted deli sliced chicken that I picked up at my local deli. And we're just going to lay some of this shit on here. Okay, now we got the meat situated. Chicken on both sides. Now it's time to start laying down our cheese. And this here is a nice little bit of pepper jack. And then on the other one, we're going to do a nice little bit of provolone. And then you just want to pop this into the oven just until the cheese melts. Just until the cheese melts. So literally a couple of minutes. Like if you have to pee, go pee, then put it in the oven. Okay, through the magic of cooking show editing, the sandwiches are done. Now we're spreading that smoked peppercorn sauce we made. But I also made another sauce, basically just a buffalo mayo. That's simply 1 cup of mayonnaise to a quarter cup of buffalo sauce. And spread that on the other one. And depending on how spicy you like it, that's how much mayonnaise you add. Okay, and now we're just going to add some lettuce to this, and that's pretty much all I wanted to do, because the hero of this sandwich is literally the chicken, and those 2 sauces, so I didn't really want to gunk it up with other shit. And now I'm going to show you a little trick with sandwich making. Take your sandwiches, wrap them in tin foil, and then just let them sit on the counter for like a minute. Really improves the flavor. So that is the Smokin' Firebird sandwich. Done.